Summer calls for drinks that are refreshing, vibrant, and a little bit fun, and today we're making 3 unique coolers that tick all the boxes. Let's start with a layered mango and kiwi smoothie. For the mango layer, add chopped mango, yogurt, honey, and a splash of water into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour this into a glass as your base. Now for the kiwi layer, blend fresh kiwi with kale leaves, yogurt and a little honey. Once smooth, gently pour this over the mango layer to create that beautiful contrast. Top it off with fresh mango cubes and a few mint leaves. It's creamy, fruity and packed with goodness. Next up, a tangy and refreshing kiwi raw mango mint masala sherbet. Start by boiling raw mangoes in water until the skin softens. Once done, peel off the skin and extract the pulp into a bowl. Now, into a mixer, add the kiwi, mango pulp, fresh mint leaves, sugar, cumin powder, black salt, pepper powder, and chaat masala. Blend everything into a smooth, flavorful puree. Add water to adjust the consistency, then strain it using a fine mesh strainer for a smooth finish. Now pour into a glass and serve chilled. It's tangy, spicy, and incredibly refreshing. And finally, for something bold, mango chilli soda. Now take a glass and pour in mango juice, add chili flakes and a pinch of rock salt, then mix it well. Now top it up with unsweetened soda for that fizzy kick. Now slit a green chili and place it on the rim for that dramatic spicy twist. So here we go, 3 drinks for 3 different moods: creamy, tangy and fizzy. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.